Good evening, students. This is CR Sir Mathematics. So today I'm going to discuss that mains 2nd September 2020 shift 1 problems. So I'm going to discuss the 5 problems in first part. Solve the equation sine inverse of 6x plus sine inverse of 6 root 3x is equal to minus pi by 2. Here we need to find x value. Here observe that this is easy question. Sine inverse of 6x, that is equal to minus pi by 2 minus sine inverse 6 root 3x. Now here left hand side sine inverse, send right hand side and take minus common. Sine of minus theta minus sine theta. Sine of pi by 2 plus sine inverse 6 root 3x. 6 root 3x. 6x, that is equal to minus sine 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta means second quadrant, sine is positive. We get cos of sine inverse 6 root 3 into x. So sine inverse x convert into cos. This is cos inverse of under root 1 minus 6 root 3x whole square. Sine inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of under root 1 minus x square. Here cos inverse is going to cancel. 6x is equal to minus under root 1 minus 108 x square. Do that squaring on both sides. We get 36x square is equal to 1 minus 108 x square. So 108 x square, send it to left hand side. We get totally 144 x square, that is equal to 1. Now x square is equal to 1 by 144. Now the x value is plus or minus 1 by 12. This is a very easy question. In inverse trigonometric functions given. Next, I'm going to second question. This is a differential equation question, variable separable method. Now see here 2 plus sine x by 1 plus y into dy by dx is equal to minus cos x. Separate the variables. So we get like this, dy by 1 plus y, that is equal to minus cos x divided by 2 plus sine x into dx. Apply integration on both sides. Integration dy divided by 1 plus y, that is equal to minus integration cos x divided by 2 plus sine x dx. Now integration of 1 by 1 plus y dy means this is logarithm of 1 plus y, that is equal to minus here integration f dash of x by f of x, like that is there now. Now we get minus logarithm 2 plus sine x plus integrating constant log c. Now minus log 2 plus sine x in left hand side, that is we will get in the form of log a plus log b, log a plus log b formula, log ab 1 plus y into 2 plus sine x, that is equal to log c. Now eliminate logarithm. What is the answer? 1 plus y into 2 plus sine x, that is equal to c. Here we don't have any option. These are student memory based questions. Just I know that only question, that's why. By observing the options, then calculate yourself. Okay. Next, I'm going to third question in vectors. This is a very easy question. Read the question first. If a bar, b bar, c bar are 3 unit vectors means we know that mod A bar, mod B bar, and mod C bar, that is equal to 1. And they are given on condition mod A minus B whole square plus mod A minus C whole square is equal to 8. Expand that, mod A minus B whole square formula, mod A square plus mod B square minus 2 into A bar dot B bar plus mod A square plus mod C square minus 2 into A bar dot C bar, that is equal to 8. Here mod A bar, mod B bar and mod C bar value, those are 1. So this is 1, 1, 1, 1. Totally 4 sent to right hand side. So remaining part I am writing minus 2 into what we are getting, A dot B plus B dot C, sorry, not B dot C, A dot C, A bar dot C bar, that is equal to 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. Now 2 2s are 4. Finally we get A dot B plus A dot C value is minus 2. Now this question can be expanded here. Mod A plus 2B whole square means what we get? Mod A square plus 4 into mod B square plus 4 into A bar dot B bar plus second term mod A square plus mod, so 4 mod C square plus 4 A bar dot C bar. Now that is equal to how many terms are there? Mod A, mod B, C here. This is 1, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus 4, totally 10. So 10 plus 4 into A dot B plus A dot C. So we are taken common A dot B plus A dot C. So already we know that those value, that is 10 plus 4 into minus 2. Calculate this. 10 minus 8. Answer is 2. Next, fourth question, see that box 1 contains 30 cards marked 1 to 30 and box 2 contains 20 cards marked 31 to 50. A box is selected and a card is drawn. If the numbers on the card is non-prime, just remember it, non-prime, then what is the probability that it came from box B1? So here we can identify the prime numbers, then automatically we get non-prime numbers. 1 to 30, how many prime numbers are there? See here, prime numbers 1 to 30, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So 1 to 30 prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 20. There are 10 prime numbers, but here they are asking non-prime numbers. So 1 to 30, there are 20 non-prime numbers. And see that 31 to 50. 31 to 50 prime numbers, there are only 5 prime numbers. That means non-prime is 15. Now by using Bayes' theorem, we need to find. So two box we can select probability of first box P of B1, that is equal to, there are two box now, chances is 1 by 2. Probability of B2, that is 1 by 2. Now probability of non-primes in first box B1, how many possible? Totally 30 numbers are there. Out of 30, 20 are non-prime numbers. Now non-prime numbers in box 2, total numbers in second box only 20, non-prime is 15. Now see the question. The probability that it came from box 1. So probability of box 1 by non-prime numbers. What is the Bayes theorem formula? P of B1 into P of non-prime by box B1 divided by P of B1 probability of non-prime box B1 plus P of B2 probability of non-prime in box B2. Now observe that substitute the values first. So numerator 1 by 2 and 20 by 30 divided by 1 by 2 into 20 by 30 plus 1 by 2 15 by 30. Do the calculation, we get answer 8 by 17. This is a very easy question. So by using Bayes theorem they are given. Next, go to another question. Find the rank of the word mother given. First write in alphabetical order E, H, M, O, R, T. Now rank of the word mother. Rank of the word is mother. Now we know the shortcut method. I am going to write directly. See that cancellation. Cancel the mother M. Before M there are 2 letters. Now remaining empty letters 5. So 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial. O can be cancelled. Before O there are 2 letters. Remaining 4 letters 4 factorial plus T can be cancelled. Before T there are 3 letters. 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial plus cancel H. Before H only 1 letter. They can be arranged in 2 factorial. E. Before E there is no E, there is no letter, write 0 plus R. Finally, we got that word mother. This is 120 into 2, 240 plus 24 into 2, 48 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 2 plus 1. Total calculate that, you will get 309. This is also a very easy question. Now I discussed 5 questions. These 5 are very easy. This is a part 1. So I will upload within 1 hour remaining questions also. Okay. Please see the video up to the end. If you are like, subscribe the channel and like, share to your friends. Thank you.